If you have ever published anything from Motion over to Final Cut Pro, you're probably very aware of the fact of how annoying it can be to publish parameters, especially because you have to go in and publish each parameter individually. It's so obnoxious and old school, and I really want it to get fixed. Fortunately, in this video, I am going to show you a completely free app that solves this problem, and it's called Motion Prep. Motion Prep was created by Igor Fernandez over at Century Creatives, and he makes really incredible Final Cut Pro plugins, which you should definitely check out to support the work he's doing. This video is going to be ridiculously short because there's not a whole lot that you need to talk about. It just works. Once you have downloaded and installed Motion Prep, it looks just like this, and you just need to simply open Motion Prep with having Apple Motion open. It makes it really incredibly easy. Once you've done that, you can just select absolutely anything. Let's go to the properties. And if you want to publish a parameter, rather than right-clicking and selecting publish, you're instead going to simply find the parameter you want and click and drag it over to this window. But here's what's really cool, because you're not just limited to one parameter at a time. I can hold shift and drag over a whole bunch of parameters at the same time, and we can of course reorder these as we see fit. Plus, you can get really advanced with the stuff you're publishing. So for example, see this blending group? I can bring over this entire group. And what I'm going to do is push publish list, and we can tell it to not warn me anymore, and we'll push continue. And now if we go into the project settings, go to project, we can see everything that's been published, and we've even published this entire drop-down window for the blending panel. If you are a Motion veteran, you might be aware of the fact that that's just not possible out of default Motion. So this opens up the possibilities to publish parameters that were not previously publishable, and it's absolutely incredible. There's also some other really cool features that Igor has added. For example, we can click this button here to add in a separator, and I'll just simply drag the separator where I want, and we'll publish list. And let's head back into Motion. And you can see that this separator has been added automatically for us. It saves us some headache of having to build it ourselves. So like I said, completely free app. Links are down below. You have nothing to lose. Go pick this up if you have ever worked in Apple Motion for more than 30 seconds, because it's going to save you so much pain. Don't forget to support your fellow creators and purchase some of Igor's stuff over at Century Creatives. He has some really incredible looking plugins that I'm excited to try out. Consider subscribing and helping me reach that lofty goal of 100,000 subscribers. It's only possible with your help, and it would mean so much to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.